Did you know that there is a treatment protocol that can prevent Alzheimer's disease and even reverse its symptoms? It's called the Bredesen protocol. And we now have clinical research demonstrating that the early stages of Alzheimer's disease can be reversed with this. Hi, I'm Dr. Snowy Tan. I'm a naturopathic physician licensed in the United States, and I'm a certified practitioner of the Bredesen protocol. I'm also a fellow of the American Academy of Anti-Aging Medicine and an IFM certified functional medicine practitioner. I've been treating neurodegenerative patients in my clinic for the past few years using the Bredesen protocol with amazing results. And now, I want to teach you how to do this for yourself with an approach that's focused on the root causes of why you or a loved one has cognitive impairment or Alzheimer's, and how you can customize the treatment for your specific situation. You see, I wasn't always a doctor. More than a decade ago, I was an investment banker who got sick. I saw many medical doctors and specialists, but they couldn't help me. And they couldn't help because they didn't understand why I was sick. So all I received were band-aid treatments that didn't work and gave me side effects. That left me feeling hopeless and frustrated. I thought to myself, if no one can help me, then I'm gonna help myself. I did my own research, spent countless months self-experimenting, and actually healed myself. Through this experience, I realized that the conventional medical system is great for emergencies and surgeries, but there is a severe lack of focus and understanding on the underlying root causes of why people get sick. And when you don't understand why people are sick, you can't help them reverse their chronic illness. So I quit my job and went to naturopathic medical school in Seattle. I trained to become an integrative primary care provider, and I started my own practice treating patients with chronic complex illnesses by resolving the root causes of their disease. And today, I want to empower you with the tools to do this yourself. I've created a masterclass that will teach you step by step how to implement the Bredesen protocol to stop progression and even reverse symptoms. Whether you're preventing or treating your own Alzheimer's, or you have a loved one suffering, I will teach you step by step how to personalize your own medical care, how to get medical providers to work with you and support your journey, which tests to get for your budget, how to interpret your test results, what treatments to consider for your individual needs, including cutting-edge treatments that your neurologist has not even heard of, how to optimize your brain by brain training, how to avoid the typical pitfalls that get most people stuck, and so much more. All these provided with research evidence and clinical experience. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna require hard work and commitment from you. Hard work because you're gonna learn and do the testing to find out why you're really sick. Commitment to love yourself so you can stick to the protocol and not give up when the going gets tough. It's not gonna be easy, but I promise you that at the end of this, you are going to be transformed. So if you're sick of the conventional treatments that don't work or are outright dangerous, and you're struggling to get the care you need from conventional medical providers, then click below to join me and start your personal journey of transformation today. All right, I'll see you soon.